Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Healthy Hair 101, the heart of holistic health, fitness, and vibrant hair journeys on all things related to the health of your hair. I'm Sarah, your friendly guide on this journey to a healthier and happier you. Today we're diving into the world of nature's hair boosters, exploring the power of fruits and veggies for lustrous locks. We'll be discussing the benefits of these natural wonders, how to incorporate them into your hair care routine, and much more. So let's get started. Our hair is a reflection of our overall health, and what we eat plays a significant role in its vitality. Fruits like strawberries and oranges are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, a protein that strengthens hair. On the other hand, leafy greens like spinach are rich in iron, which promotes hair growth and prevents hair fall. DIY hair masks using fruits and veggies can be a fun and effective way to nourish your hair. For instance, an avocado hair mask can deeply moisturize your hair thanks to its high-fat content. Similarly, a banana hair mask can help combat frizz and add shine to your hair. Juicing is another great way to reap the benefits of fruits and veggies for your hair. Carrots, for example, are rich in vitamin A, which promotes a healthy scalp. Beetroot, on the other hand, is packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, iron, and potassium, which can boost hair growth. If our daily videos are becoming your go-to for all things health and hair, show some love by hitting like and subscribe to always stay updated. Remember, hair health is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, consistency, and a lot of love. Incorporating fruits and veggies into your lifestyle, not just your diet, can make a world of difference to your hair health. So, why not start today? Add a fruit or veggie to your hair care routine and see the magic unfold. As we wrap up today's discussion on nature's hair boosters, remember that the key to lustrous locks lies in the power of fruits and veggies. They're not just good for your body, but also for your hair. So go ahead, experiment with these natural wonders, and let your hair reap the benefits. Until next time, keep shining, keep smiling, and remember, your hair is your crown, so wear it with pride. Goodbye for now, and remember to love your hair, because it's a part of you.